So guys, I got another fidget. It's pretty cool. It's like some type of cannon. So you can do this with it. Like a fidget spinner. And then you can just... It's pretty cool. And another cool thing about this is that it can actually shoot like little darts and stuff. So... Here are the darts, pretty small. And then you just load them in like this. You just put it in the casing. I just trying to... There it goes. See, the orange part goes into, well, this, like, casing, I'd say. And then, you know, you load it into the fidget, and then you just shoot. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand. You're supposed to do it here. There we go. So yeah, once you load it in, oh damn it. But you just load it in like this, and then you just shoot. It's that easy. And it just ejects like that. Comes with 3 casings. It's a pretty fun fidget to play with, I would say. Although, this can hurt a bit because these are the little orange things. These are not foam. These are actual plastic, so these will hurt a lot. I just gotta find it. But overall, this is a great fidget to play with. A great time saver, you know. It's just really cool. Yeah, I just really like it.